Hey, yeah, I'm heading your way in 5. I have all the coffee stuff ready. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, I guess I can host. 10 minutes, you'll be here in 10. Okay, yeah, absolutely. Anything for you girls, I'll see you in 10. Okay, so looks like I'm hosting coffee book club this morning. My girlfriend's kid is sick. The nursery just called and she's gonna have to go pick him up. So all the girls are coming over here. We do a Sunday book club around 11 a.m. every Sunday. And I was going to make iced coffees and bring them over there, was just about to leave, but it looks like I have 10 minutes to whip up some quick drinks before the whole gang gets here. So first things first, let's get some iced coffees going, but I think I'm gonna do something a little special for me. Just a second. For the trouble, you know. Welcome to Scamps Toffee's Kitchen. I'll show you how to make iced coffee quick and something special for yourself. Let's go. Good thing I already had these ingredients in my refrigerator. I have some heavy whipping cream. You can also use half and half for whole milk. I have some regular whipping cream for the top, and I have some local products, which are Scamps toffee sauce and toffee bits, to top it off like some gorgeous frappuccino. I need to first things first get some ice out of the freezer, so I'll be right back. All right, so about a half a glass here of ice. I guess that's more like a full glass of ice. Everybody likes a cold iced coffee though. I have some freshly brewed coffee here. I like medium roast, but you can use whatever you like. Medium, dark, light, doesn't matter, that's your preference. Fill each one up evenly. Next we're gonna add our cream and our whipping cream. You can use half and half, whole milk, skim milk, whatever you like. It's Sunday though, I'm feeling indulgent, so I was thinking let's just go all in. Plus, when your girlfriend drops a book club meeting on you last minute, you deserve to be indulgent. That's my take on it. So I don't mix this because I really like the way that it looks when it's just kind of seeping in there. It's gorgeous. This is so easy. Girls are going to be here in probably 5 minutes now, and this is going to be ready and on the table by the time they walk in the door. So like I said, I had these ingredients in my fridge. Just pop them open. Easy. Give it a shake. You can buy whipped cream from any grocery store. I mean, even gas stations. It's just everywhere. So this is an easy fix. Ready? Gorgeous. And the thing is, this drink really isn't that sugary because unlike a lot of frappuccinos, there's actually sugar in the drink itself with a frappuccino. You're just taking regular coffee, adding some milk, and topping it off with some sweet things. So it's kind of a hack, at least that's what I tell myself. No, this is where the magic comes in. Toffee sauce, again, microwave for 16 seconds. If you guys have tuned into Scamps Toffee's Kitchen before, you've probably heard me say that like a broken record, but it's true. It's really hard to pour toffee sauce when it's not warm because it literally won't pour. So heat it up, give a little drizzle to number 1. Lovely. I just like to go back. Everybody deserves a full spoon, right? Don't want to cheat anybody out of toffee sauce. And one more. Voila. Now, to finish it all off, a little bit of toffee bits. These are just pieces of toffee crumbled up into tiny little particles so that you can sprinkle them on things. Lots of different things, but especially iced coffee. Yep. Yum and yum. Guys, when I say this is easy, I'm not kidding. You just saw me make this in probably under 5 minutes. All right, our iced coffees are made. The girls are gonna be here any minute. I'm gonna just take these over to the little sitting area. We usually do our book club over there, and I'll be right back to make my drink. All right, guys, drinks are on the table, books are ready to go. Girls are gonna be here any minute. Time for my drink. Getting nice, just a sec. All right. I'm the host, so I get the fancy wine glass. Now, I'm not big on coffee, but I am big on booze. So we're gonna just pour enough coffee. That's right for me. You might want it fuller, you might want it less, but that's right where I'd like to be. I'm gonna put my heavy whipping cream in next. Tablespoon or 2 should do it. And now it's for the good stuff. I mean, you don't have to be shy about it. You know, you can really go to town. It's Sunday, you're hosting, you're not driving anywhere. Get yourself a little booze there, eh? Whipped cream. Delicious. You know, for me, I'm gonna skip the toffee sauce because I have enough Baileys, I think, to kill a small village, so I don't think we need any more sweetness in this. But the girls are gonna love theirs with toffee sauce, and you can do it however you like. Again, thank you for coming to Scamp's Toffee's Kitchen. Next time you need a quick recipe, you know where to come. Cheers.